Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI on iPhone. So if you want to chat with Grok AI directly from your iPhone, just follow along. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Grok AI and download the official app if it's available. After that, open the app and sign in with your. Now you'll see the main chat screen where you can start asking questions. Simply type your questions or prompt into the message box. For example, you can ask things like explain this topic in simple words or help me write a short essay. Grok will then respond with answers, explanations, or ideas based on your request. You can also use voice input if your version supports it by tapping the microphone icon. If you want better results, try giving clear and detailed prompts so Grok understands exactly what you need. If you don't see the app in the App Store, it may not be available in your country yet, so you can use Grok through the X app instead. That was how to use Grok AI on iPhone easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.